Hello again, guys. Did you know the Oktoberfest in Munich? It's now the largest public festivity in the world. It's been celebrated for over 200 years now, and it only been cancelled a few times, and that was the Napoleon Wars, the World Wars, and there were a few cholera epidemics that cancelled the Oktoberfest. But also this year, the first time since World War II, because of Corona, it's all cancelled. So let's go find a spot out in the wilderness, and I'm going to teach you how to properly prepare your sauerkraut. So this will be my version of the Oktoberfest, the Motoberfest.
Highway to hell. Highway to hell. No stop signs, speed limit. Nobody's gonna slow me down. Like a wheel, I'm gonna spin it. Nobody's gonna mess me around. Hey Satan, paying my dues. I'm playing in a Oberkreiner band. Hey mama, look at me. I'm on my way to the promised land. I'm on the highway to hell. Highway to hell. I'm on the highway to hell. Highway to hell. Don't stop me.
Oh fuck. This can be ugly. If this is wet in the morning, then this might be a slippery place. It's freaking hot today. Ooh. But desolate, and that's nice.
Highway to hell. I'm on the highway to hell. Highway to hell. I'm on the highway to hell. And I'm going
Master betrayed us. No.
Okay, so next task, gather firewood. Look at this. Okay, let's get started with the Motoberfest. Let's cook some, let's first make some fire, cook some sauerkraut, bratwurst, bratkartoffeln, and some beer. Okay, so first we're going to start with the sauerkraut. You buy it in a can or something. Sauerkraut in white wine, and normally that's what's on the can. And what you do is you take it out and you rinse it a little bit. Yeah, so I have some sauerkraut here. So what we need now, I'm actually going to do this on my gas stove because it takes the longest of all the things that I'm going to eat today. So what we start with is some onion. That's the best thing about cooking in the wild. You just toss whatever organic stuff you have in the bowl, like so. Sometimes I use garlic, sometimes I don't. Yeah, get it in there. Now let's get this little cooker going, like so. Get some oil in there. Yes. Let's get something to stir with. Perhaps a little bit more water in there also, so it cooks. What's Motoberfest without the beer? Franziskaner. Yes. And you need to pour it in some... Sorry. Just by coincidence, I noticed I had something in my pocket since last Oktoberfest. That... Yeah, that's more like it. Get those potatoes on there. Whoops. These frying pans are stainless steel. You need to break them in. I can perhaps make a video of that, but you heat them up with a thin layer of oil and really make it burn. And after that, you can see it's really non-stick. You can do that on your home stainless steel stuff also. It's quite easy, but if you don't do that, stainless steel, it just sticks whatever you put in there. Sauerkraut is coming on fine, and I'm actually going to turn this off now. Have a little taste. Before it was a bit chewy, and now it's just smooth and it becomes a bit sweeter, and with the stock in there, really nice. If you eat a lot of that, you get that Oompa Boompa orchestra in the tent at night. So you get that Oktoberfest going all night. Ooh, it's starting to smell like... Oh, it's starting to smell like crisps or chips. Okie doke. Let's bring those in. I'm going to take the lid from the sauerkraut to store these in meanwhile. Now for the bratwurst. Nürnberger Rostbratwurst. Würste. Nürnberger Würsteln. Nürnberger Würsteln. As you can see, they are made in the same factory as the Sig Sauer ammo clips. Of all the sausages, the Germans are the worst. Okay, and let's get some potatoes in there. Ein bisschen Sauerkraut. Move over, scoot. Leave the juice in the bottom. Just scoop up this nice plate. How's that for a wild camping Motoberfest? Let's go eat. Can you hear that? It's quite calm out here, but the sound is coming from the beer tent. So, let's go. Guten Morgen.
Ooh, what a party last night. Still alone at least.
Last time I wished I had some better coffee, but now I have some. Ride the Bean, Tenere 700 on the logo. I mean, from bottom to the top. I even bought this little grinder for the occasion. I actually got this package from a nice YouTuber friend called Steven Eldridge. So thank you so much for that. Really appreciate it. Toiletries for the princess. Okay, I hope you liked that one. Was just a crazy idea that I couldn't get rid of until I made this video. So now my soul can rest. I can't help but do a little cooking and doing that wild camping thing also. So I hope you like that. So if you haven't done that already, subscribe, bell, whatever, please comment or anything like that. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, have a look around. So see you next time.